All right, what's up, traders? So DAX moving higher, yeah. This is the 5-minute chart. And Tesla up pre-market. Tesla up 12% pre-market. So earnings yesterday. We could see a bounce from the yesterday's sell-off on the indexes, American indexes. DAX moving higher quite nicely, almost up a percentage today. 12%. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Hope you guys having a good morning so far. We got the open still in a couple of hours still. I really liked how we bottom out here on the DAX afterwards. We couldn't break through previous days' lows, and now moving higher. I would maybe see new, weekly, maybe into today, into tomorrow on the DAX. Could see. I really like trading the DAX in the London session. We obviously see that we're moving higher as well on the US index. So I would expect a nice bullish day here today. I mean, we've put in a nice V, peak formation low here. So I would see more longs on this personally. Specifically with Tesla moving higher. What you guys looking at? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah. I'm going to be streaming on ASFX TV today. I might also stream through to Twitter. But if you want to go check me out on ASFX TV, remember the Beat the Market Maker method with the blue and all these. I like the 8 and 21 EMAs. But we got some levels here on SPX. I think we could maybe come back and take these highs, which previous days highs. That could be quite a nice level to look at, especially after putting in that like P formation low, right? Particularly how we closed yesterday off that bouncing off the lows there. What's up, Darren? News later though, so yeah, exactly. We do have some news later, correct? Yeah, we're starting to move a little bit out that range. If you look at the S&P, right, we've kind of been in that in this range for the last couple of days, since maybe the 15th of October. We've been in this range. We're literally trading within a 70-point range, highs to lows. So it's nice that we've actually finally broken out of it. Can actually get up previous week's highs and lows. So we are respecting previous week's lows here. So I would expect a move back towards previous week's highs, particularly with Tesla up where we are, 12% pre-market. What are you watching today, Darren? Yeah, I'm gonna start doing more of these live streams in the pre-market. Also, I'm going to be live in the Edgefield Discord from 3 to 4 South African time, 9 to 10 Eastern time for the market open. So make sure to check me there. But yeah, just from a perspective here, we are respecting previous week's highs, previous week's lows. So I could see some more rally, more upside. Yeah, looking towards 857. So about 30 points, 40 points higher. Can actually put this up here too. Right, some of the guys like using the session volume profile. So taking out that yesterday's session, session point of control. Zach Clark's using that one of the guys that we trade with. I know I've changed the settings on that one, so. There you go. Those are the settings. That's just a free indicator of TradingView. So yeah, it's going to be interesting to see if we come back and touch that point from yesterday, which is lined up with that zone that I had on the 15-minute time frame. Previous day's highs. So we'll see that. I think, and then obviously the lows here, if you want to come back down, this is obviously S&P, right? See what some comments here in the chat. Yeah, so I will be streaming. I always stream 10:30 Eastern time to 11:30 Eastern time on ASFX TV. Crypto for now, but always have been eyes on NAS and Dow. Nice. Yeah, let's see what the Dow is actually doing this. See, the Dow just moves weird compared to the. I like trading the Dow from time to time, but I do know that it does move obviously very inverse. Yeah, so Dow was very inversely correlated sometimes to the other indexes. We got the Japan index, the Nikkei, Japanese index, right? Nikkei giving a little bit of momentum to us. This can sometimes be nice to trade in the Asian session for you Asians. You guys like to trade in the Asian session. So NASDAQ, yeah, NASDAQ doing kind of like the same thing. We broke through this level over here, but also respecting previous week's lows now. So I could definitely see a bounce and a move higher into, I mean, obviously Tesla being a big player, I could definitely see a move back into previous week's highs. I think just, coming into each day, we had some good chats in the Black Shirt Club recently, just on when do we want to actually be trading? And I was saying, like, would you rather trade less and big on the better setups, or would you try and pick your spots every day? And I think, trying to get it to like, 4 or 5 trades a week, but more high probable, not trying to trade every single point of every market. Are you going to affiliate with any crypto exchanges? I can get in contact with a few crypto exchanges if you guys would like me to help out with that. I do know Hydra at the moment, which you can check in my bio. We're actually going to be doing a podcast with them later. You can trade crypto with their prop firm. But yeah, if you want me to, I can get in contact with some crypto exchanges if you want. I'm a less than full Sendy kind of trader. Go big or go home. Nice. Yeah, you don't put a saddle on a Mustang, so you got to send it sometimes. But I think trading less and waiting for those 8+ days. And I traded bigger yesterday on the DAX shorts. I saw Darren in the Edge for Discord. You're looking at the longs. I did like the shorts yesterday. We were obviously trading underneath, making bearish market structure. I like the levels to move low into previous week's lows as well. Yeah, so I think longs are kind of my play at the moment on the US indexes coming to the open. We got the Mag 7 up across the board. Let's look at some stocks. Pretty green across the board as well, right? Netflix up, Moderna up, Uber down, Nike up, all Mag 7 stocks up. PayPal up, Walmart, Google, Tesla up. There's a big one up 12%, almost 13% now. So that's going to be big, obviously, on earnings release, right? So that obviously being pretty big news. See if we can actually get. Matt, it's Matt. It's flipping asking about crypto exchanges. Yeah, Matt, we'll get in contact with that 100%. Cool. So let's just see here extended hours. Let's get some extended hours going here. Okay, pre-market I haven't. There you go. Yeah, so Tesla obviously up big. I mean, off that 13%, that's big. So green across the board, yeah. So I'm definitely going to be looking at some longs heading into the open on the US indexes. Tesla earnings per share was forecasted 46 cents, came out at, yeah, so they beat earnings. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, so obviously that will be big to see how we trade on that going into the open as well. Cool. So as you can see, most of the Mag 7 stocks, all of them actually trading up pre-market. Microsoft had a massive day the other day. Let's say 50. Yep. I mean, on Microsoft, yeah, we were up. This was when we had some nice longs as well. So I think at the moment I'm just trying to, trade less and trade bigger on my better trading setup. So today could be a nice rebound day, particularly after we put in, peak formation low right at previous week's lows. I could definitely see, back up to daily highs from yesterday being taken out. But we'll see obviously what we get on the open. A little bit of a tip that I will give you guys is something that I've been using for my own trading is just, sometimes we get too caught up on the lower time frames. Have a look where we are on the 15-minute time frame, the hourly chart as well, daily too. So that does help me a lot in terms of just zooming out and seeing actually where are we. Like right now on the daily chart, we are, let's go, yeah, right. So daily chart, we're still looking bullish. Like even after yesterday's down day, right? We still are looking bullish. Hourly chart, right? We're still trading within these levels. Right? We respected them. So I could definitely see back up towards these highs coming on the NASDAQ. Cool. But I'm going to be live on ASFX TV later on. So make sure to join me there. You get a free trial in my link in bio. I'll stream there live every single Wednesday through to Friday. I'm going to be doing more of these pre-market stuff. Also do my daily reviews in the morning as well from each day. But yeah, I think just trading less has helped me, and that's where I want to be at. Trading less and trading big on my base trading setups. You don't need to be trading every single pass point. Yeah, catch you in the Discord, Darren. 100%, boss. See what some sports bets. We got some. See what NFL games are actually on this week. There we go. There we go. Week 8. My team, yeah, we playing LA Rams. Tampa, Atlanta. They had a good game a couple of weeks ago, actually. Baltimore, Cleveland, Green Bay, Jacksonville, Philadelphia, Cincinnati. That would be a good game. They also played each other. They're divisional rivals, so it'll be a good game. Yeah, and then Dallas, San Francisco. Not that Dallas has been playing well, but yeah, a couple of good games on. Do you think that the US election will have effect on US equities? Of course, 100%. Trump wins, it goes to the moon. Cool. So, yeah, solid. I think a good pre-market here. I mean, I think, you just got to be obviously cautious of how we do trade going into open, but I think looking for longs back up towards those levels higher on the Nasdaq makes sense, right? We're respecting previous week's lows, so looking for longs just they do make sense. It's actually trying to get previous week's highs on those. Yeah, there we go on the hourly chart. Yeah, so obviously respecting previous week's lows as mentioned. Cool. As mentioned, a lot of green across the board. Mag 7 stocks all green now. Tesla trading over 13% pre-market. So on that earnings, so it's going to be big. Obviously, well above previous days' highs, previous days' lows. Yeah, this is going to be an interesting day. Could be some big ops today. What are you guys watching? Let me know in the chat. What do you guys want me to go over? Any exits that you guys like watching? Cool, guys. So yeah, we'll take it there. Finally breaking out of some levels. Yeah, that's for sure. So looking pretty neat. Perfect. We'll check you guys then on stream 10:30 Eastern time, 4:30 South African time, and I'm live in the H4 Discord as well. So I'll check you guys there. Links for both of those are in my bio. Less is more, guys. So keep it tight, keep it tidy, and pick your opportunity as well. We'll see you guys then.